Okay, guys, so we are looking at special right triangles, and we're looking at two specific types. The first one is called the 45, 45, 90 triangle. And the reason why that works out, why we're talking about 45, 40, 90, 45, 45, 90 triangle, is that there's special properties that exist about 45, 45, 90 triangles. So when I look at a 45, 45, 90 triangle, I can know that these are an isosceles triangle. The reason why is because I have two angles are congruent, which means that these two sides are congruent. Now, if I just use the basic Pythagorean theorem, I know that if I wanted to find out what that side is, knowing that both of these are x's, I know I could do x squared plus x squared equals, in this case, we'll just call it y squared. Now, when I combine like terms, I end up with 2x squared equals y squared. Okay? When I square root both sides, I'm taking the square root of 2x squared, and I'm taking the square root of y squared, which makes y equal to x square root of 2. Okay? So what does this mean? Well, if I'm looking at question 1, I first, knowing that this is 45 degrees, I can say that this is going to be 45 degrees too, which means that both of these sides are going to have to be congruent. So I know y is 10. Now x, this side, the hypotenuse, is always going to be the short leg times radical 2. Well, do I know what the short leg is? It's 10. 10 radical 2. Okay? So let's look at this example right here. I have a 45, 45, 90. Okay? I know that the hypotenuse equals the short leg times radical 2. And these are both short legs. They're exactly the same. So in this case, I know that this is 3 radical 2. Okay? Well, what is being multiplied by radical 2? It's 3. So that means that both of these sides are 3. Okay? Let's look at another one. So in this case, I have a short leg, I have a short leg, and then this is short leg radical 2, or x, x, x radical 2. So in this question, I know that this is 7. Okay, well, that means that this is 7, and then this side is going to be 7 radical 2. So I know y equals 7 and x equals 7 radical 2, because this side, the hypotenuse, is always going to be the short leg times radical 2. I'm going to do one more with you guys. So when I look at this picture, I have a short leg, and I have a short leg, and then my hypotenuse equals short leg times radical 2. So in this case, I know this is 4 radical 2, okay? Which means that n, in this case, is also 4 radical 2. So I know n equals 4 radical 2. The reason why I know that is because this angle and that angle are the same. That means that these two sides are the same. Okay? Well, in order for me to find out the hypotenuse, all I have to do is take the short leg times radical 2. So in this case, n is going to be equal to whatever my short leg is, which is 4 radical 2 times radical 2. Well, radical 2 times radical 2 is just 2, which gets me n to be 8. Or m to be 8, sorry. Hopefully this helps. I want you guys to try the next two, and we'll talk about those in a second.